first thing is very important is quality for us. That is paramount. So that is sort of non-negotiable. Second thing is obviously the commercials, because in competitive space you have to have like fight for every penny of margins that you make. And third is the team, right? The founding team, the promoters, or the people who are running the show. What sort of qualifications they hold, what is the exposure they are having. I think these are three critical aspects that we evaluate while finalizing a supplier. So I believe like one-on-one connects and very focused connects is something which typically we want to have when we are visiting such exhibition, and majority of our bandwidth should go on these focus connects rather than just barging in every outlet. So I think that was one gap which probably this format helps us bridge that significantly, having focused discussions on very targeted categories and with targeted vendors.